Are you stuck with a Fujitsu monitor that just won't listen to you? Is your power button locked and leaving you puzzled? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got the perfect solution for you. Welcome to Conscious Guide, where we make tech troubles less troubling. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of problem solvers. So, what does power button locked mean on your Fujitsu monitor? It's a safety feature designed to prevent accidental changes to your monitor settings. But when you need to adjust something, it can be a real headache. Let's unlock it together, step by step. It's easier than you think. First, find the power button. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your monitor. Now, press and hold the power button. Wait for about 10 seconds. This simple step can often unlock the button. If that doesn't work, don't worry. Try pressing and holding both the menu button and the power button for 10 seconds. You'll know it worked when you see a message saying power button unlocked on your screen. Every Fujitsu monitor is a bit different. If these steps don't work for you, check your monitor's manual for specific instructions. You can usually find it online by searching for your monitor model. Still having trouble? Here are a few things to try. Restart your monitor by unplugging it for a minute. Check if there's a specific lock setting in the monitor menu. Make sure your monitor firmware is up to date. Did our tips help you unlock your Fujitsu monitor? Let us know in the comments. And if you have any other monitor troubles, feel free to ask. We love helping out. For more detailed steps and tech tips, visit our website. The link is in the description below. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And subscribe to Conscious Guide for more easy-to-follow tech solutions. Stay curious and keep exploring.